What will happen to your body organs if you eat 3 bananas a day? Bananas are more than just a convenient snack, they are a powerhouse of nutrients that offer a wide range of health benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve digestion, or support heart health, bananas should be a staple in your diet. Let's dive into the remarkable health benefits of bananas and why they deserve a place in your daily routine. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Supports digestive health. Bananas are an excellent source of dietary fiber, particularly pectin, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. A medium-sized banana provides about 3 grams of fiber, supporting regular bowel movements and promoting a healthy gut. The fruit's natural prebiotic properties also encourage the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing overall digestive function. Number 2. Improved sperm production. The nutritional profile of bananas includes various elements known to support the body's production of healthy sperm, such as vitamins A, B6, and C, potassium, and antioxidants. Each serving of banana provides 0.4 milligrams of vitamin B6, meeting 30% of the daily recommended intake. This nutrient plays a crucial role in supporting sperm count and mobility. Studies have shown that bananas contain bromelain, an enzyme linked to increased testosterone levels, particularly in men who exercise regularly. This can positively affect fertility and aid in addressing erectile issues. Testosterone plays a key role in male sexual desire, function, and reproductive capabilities. Number 3. Promotes healthy skin. Bananas can also contribute to healthier skin. The vitamin C in bananas helps in collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity. The antioxidants present in bananas fight against skin-damaging free radicals, promoting a youthful and glowing complexion. Number 4. Enhancing prostate wellness. Bananas are rich in 2 crucial minerals, magnesium and manganese. These elements, typically present in limited quantities in men, play a vital role in maintaining prostate health. Regular consumption of bananas can potentially improve reproductive system function and support intimate relationships. Studies suggest that bananas may be beneficial in addressing erectile difficulties. Number 5. May support kidney health. Regular consumption of potassium-rich foods like bananas may help maintain healthy kidney function. Studies suggest that potassium can help reduce the risk of kidney stones by promoting calcium excretion and reducing the risk of crystal formation. Number 6. Improves bone health. While bananas are not high in calcium, they do play a role in bone health by preventing the loss of calcium through the urine. The prebiotic content in bananas also supports the absorption of nutrients, including calcium, which is crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Number 7. Enhanced sexual desire. Bananas contain significant amounts of bromelain and B vitamins, which help regulate testosterone levels and enhance sexual desire, performance, and endurance. Research indicates that bananas, being rich in carbohydrates, contribute to increased energy, improved blood flow to male reproductive organs, and heightened libido. Number 8. Rich source of nutrients and antioxidants. Bananas are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and dietary fiber. They also contain powerful antioxidants like dopamine and catechins, which help fight free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress, and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. Number 9. Boosting testosterone production. Bananas are nutrient-dense, particularly in potassium. This mineral can enhance the production of testosterone in males. Testosterone, a primary male sex hormone, enhances libido and can improve endurance during intimate activities. Consequently, incorporating bananas into one's diet may contribute to increased testosterone levels and enhance male performance. Number 10. Boosts heart health. Bananas are high in potassium, a mineral crucial for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium, thereby reducing the risk of hypertension. Additionally, the fiber content in bananas can help lower cholesterol levels, further promoting cardiovascular health. Number 11. Provides a quick energy boost. Bananas are a favorite among athletes for a reason. They contain natural sugars like fructose, glucose, and sucrose, which provide a quick energy boost without causing a spike in blood sugar levels. This makes bananas an ideal snack before or after workouts, helping to restore energy levels and reduce muscle cramps due to their high potassium content. Number 12. Enhances mood and reduces stress. Bananas are a good source of tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood. This can help reduce symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress. The vitamin B6 in bananas also supports brain health and aids in the production of neurotransmitters that promote a positive mood. Number 13. Supports weight management. Despite their sweet taste, bananas are relatively low in calories and high in fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer. Including bananas in your daily diet can help control appetite and reduce cravings, making them an excellent addition to a weight management plan. Number 14. Aids in muscle recovery. Bananas are known for their high potassium content, which is essential for muscle function and recovery. Consuming bananas post-workout can help replenish electrolytes lost through sweat, reduce muscle cramps, and support overall muscle recovery. Well, that covers all the essential health benefits of eating banana. Now, let's explore some frequently asked questions about this refreshing fruit. Question 1. Do bananas have a lot of sugar? Bananas contain natural sugars like fructose, glucose, and sucrose. While they do have a higher sugar content compared to some other fruits, they are still considered healthy due to their fiber content, which helps slow down sugar absorption. Question 2. Can bananas help with muscle cramps? Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps prevent muscle cramps and supports proper muscle function. Eating bananas before or after exercise can help replenish lost potassium and reduce the risk of cramping. Question 3. Can people with diabetes eat bananas? People with diabetes can eat bananas in moderation. While they have carbohydrates and natural sugars, the fiber content helps moderate blood sugar levels. It's best to pair bananas with a source of protein or healthy fat to help stabilize blood sugar. Question 4. Do bananas cause weight gain? Bananas do not inherently cause weight gain. They are a low-calorie, nutrient-dense fruit that can fit into a healthy diet. Weight gain typically results from consuming more calories than your body needs, so eating bananas in moderation will not lead to weight gain. Question 5. Can bananas improve mood? Yes, bananas can help improve mood because they contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, the feel-good hormone. They also have vitamin B6, which helps the brain produce serotonin. Question 6. Are bananas safe to eat if they are overripe? Yes, overripe bananas are safe to eat and are often sweeter and softer. They are great for baking, smoothies, or as a natural sweetener in recipes. However, people with blood sugar concerns should be mindful as overripe bananas have higher sugar content. Question 7. Do bananas help with acid reflux? Yes, bananas can help alleviate symptoms of acid reflux and heartburn. They are naturally low in acid and have a soothing effect on the lining of the esophagus, providing a protective coating that helps prevent irritation from stomach acid. Question 8. Can eating bananas help with sleep? Yes, bananas can promote better sleep because they contain magnesium, potassium, and tryptophan, which help relax muscles, calm the mind, and enhance sleep quality. Eating a banana before bedtime may aid in falling asleep faster. Question 9. Are bananas safe to eat during pregnancy? Yes, bananas are safe and beneficial to eat during pregnancy. They provide essential nutrients like folate, vitamin C, and potassium, which are important for fetal development and help manage pregnancy-related symptoms like nausea and constipation. Question 10. Can bananas help with anemia? Bananas can help manage anemia due to their iron content, which aids in the production of hemoglobin. While not a rich source of iron, they are still beneficial when included in an iron-rich diet, especially because they also contain vitamin C, which helps with iron absorption. Question 11. Are bananas beneficial for kids? Yes, bananas are highly beneficial for children. They provide energy, essential vitamins and minerals, and fiber, which support overall growth and development. Bananas are also easy to digest, making them a great snack for kids of all ages. Question 12. Can bananas be eaten on an empty stomach? Yes, bananas can be eaten on an empty stomach and are often recommended as a quick and nutritious breakfast option. They provide energy and nutrients without being harsh on the stomach, making them a gentle way to start the day. Question 13. Is it good to eat a banana every day? Incorporating a single banana into your daily diet can be a healthy choice. However, it's important to note that bananas are primarily composed of carbohydrates. Excessive banana consumption may lead to high sugar intake, potentially resulting in elevated blood pressure. Question 14. What is the main benefit of eating banana? Bananas are a rich source of various vitamins and minerals. Notably, a medium-sized banana provides approximately 25% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin B6. This essential nutrient aids in metabolic processes and plays a crucial role in brain development during pregnancy and infancy. Additionally, vitamin B6 contributes to maintaining a healthy immune system. Question 15. What is the best time to eat bananas? Bananas require considerable time for digestion in the stomach. Additionally, our metabolic rate is at its lowest during nighttime. Consequently, it's advisable to eat bananas in the morning or evening, and it's best to refrain from consuming them at night. Question 16. Can I drink water after eating bananas? It's not recommended to drink water immediately after eating a banana, as it may lead to significant digestive discomfort. Water consumption makes bananas harder to digest, so it's advisable to wait approximately 30 minutes before drinking water after eating a banana. Question 17. What vitamins are in a banana? Bananas offer a range of essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, potassium, vitamins B6 and C, as well as diverse antioxidants and plant-based compounds. These fruits come in various types and dimensions, with colors typically spanning from green to yellow, though some varieties appear red. Question 18. Can bananas remove pimples? Applying banana peels to facial skin may help diminish acne scars and potentially reduce breakouts. For optimal results, gently rub banana peels on your face or body daily for 5 minutes. Noticeable improvements might be observed after approximately 1 month of consistent use. Question 19. What does banana do in a man's body? Research suggests that bananas contain potassium, which aids in boosting the production of testosterone, the male sex hormone, and enhances libido. Additionally, bananas contain tryptophan, which helps increase serotonin levels, a hormone that enhances mood and boosts sexual desire in men. Question 20. Can I eat bananas with milk? Combining bananas with milk offers numerous nutritional benefits, including rapid recovery after exercise and potential weight loss. Many people enjoy banana and milk smoothies as a breakfast option, appealing to individuals of all ages. This beverage also serves as a refreshing drink during hot summer months. Question 21. How many bananas per day? While there's no strict guideline, it's advisable to limit consumption to 1 or 2 bananas per day. Excessive consumption may contribute to weight increase due to their carbohydrate and sugar content. To maintain a well-rounded diet, it's important to incorporate a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables alongside bananas. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.